you want to grow carrots in your garden this year? Here's 5 helpful tips to set you up for success. Know how to plant. Carrot seed is incredibly tiny. The smaller the seed, the shallower it needs to go in the ground. What I like to do, we'll pretend that this is my garden bed. I like to take a small tool and make lines in my garden soil. And I'm just barely making lines that are about 1/4 inch deep. Then gather up some of the seed in my hand and I try to space it out as best I can in the row. And I'll just do this. I like to plant my carrots in blocks rather than in big long rows. After I'm finished planting, I just lightly take my hand and recover the seed over. And I gently just press the seed down into the soil with my hand. Now, an easier option would be to use seed tape. With seed tape, your carrot seed is already spread out in this nice handy dandy seed tape. It's super easy to use. Carrots need moist soil to germinate, and it takes them about 3 weeks before they're going to sprout. So if we get sunny weather, be sure that you're out in the garden checking your moisture levels. And here's a helpful tip. You can take newspaper or burlap, dampen it down, and place it over your newly seeded carrot beds. And this will help to conserve the moisture and keep the soil cool. Protect your seeds. Use a floating row cover to cover your seeds, and this will protect them against carrot rust fly. Thin out your seedlings. When your little babies are about 1 inch tall, it's time to thin them out. And you want to do this so that you leave room for the remaining carrots to develop a good root underground. Plant companion plants. Here's 3 great options for you: onions, radish, and lettuce. Now, onions help deter the carrot rust fly. Radishes help to loosen up the soil so it's easier for carrots to grow, and lettuce shades the roots, keeping your carrots cool so they germinate better. More than anything, enjoy growing your own carrots and let us know how it goes.